Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm so excited to share with you the October release at A Colorful Life Design. So let's jump right in. I'm just gonna pull this out off screen here. Now when you order, it's gonna come in a manila folder like this with some sample bling, and I'm gonna just get right to it showing you these stencils. Now, I'm gonna try and separate them a moment because they're actually in two different categories this month. So I think I'm going to do this right, but as always, double check and make sure you know what ones are with what collection. Now, there's going to be a Christmas collection and there's going to be a Grinch collection. So I'm going to start with the Grinch because these are just too fun. So Grinch is in Dr. Seuss. This one is called Stink, Stank, Stunk. Super fun. So it's got, you know, the sentiments built in. If you don't have anything Grinch related to go with it, have no fear. She kind of builds the sentiment options into the stencils, which is so fun, especially if you're not into stamping or just not feeling it. But Merry Grinchmas, you're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. This is a 6x9. So let me hold this up a moment to a card vase. This is US A2 size, 4¼ inches by 5½. And you can see kind of the size here. So it's a really nice focal point size for your card. You could easily do this and then do the little, you know, sentiment on the lower right. Easy peasy card. Boom, done. So here we have 3 sizes too small. So his small heart grew 3 sizes that day. Super cute. Got the Grinch hands and a kind of sequence of hearts. Again, 6x9. Another 6x9 here. This one is called Cindy Lou and Max. So this one you can see is in its own little cellophane envelope because it does have these little masking pieces. So she's going to include these whenever she can because it just kind of gives you that much more versatility with your stencils. So even the Grinch had a dog. That's funny. Even the Grinch had a dog. In a world of Grinches, be a Cindy Lou Who. Super cute. Okay, oh, this one is so cute. Feeling extra Grinchy today. So maybe you got some bah humbug friends in your life that aren't feeling very festive. You can send them one of these Grinch cards. Don't be a Grinch, Grinch season. So you can see these are different faces. So you're getting a variety of expressions here. They're not all the same. And then this one, I'm a Grinch before coffee. Ain't that the truth? And this one is kind of like a little dotted outline kind of thing here. Okay, so this would be the Grinch Master Creator Bundle. And if you're not familiar with the Master Creator Bundles, how they work is she offers them in groupings for 20% off. So you'll get that full collection for 20% off. Now you can't use your favorite designer's coupons because it's already so discounted, but you do get that 20% off. Okay, now for the other Christmas ones, we have Holly Berry set. This is really cool. So all different variations of holly berry. This would make a really easy, fun background. And they're kind of spaced out well enough that if you were to use like a little blending brush, maybe like one of these jobbers I get from Amazon, you can kind of get in there and do the red and green and it would be easy to mask that off. So that's really fun. This one could be holiday or really anytime or winter. Whirling Snow. Super fun. It's got this cool geometric look to it. So this would make a cool masculine card, or a card for anyone, obviously. Layered holly berry wreath. This is so fun. So look, you can get the berries. So this is, again, one you can mask. I'll show you on an A2 size. So this will cover basically a full card front. You could go vertical or horizontal orientation. And then you can come in and layer up with red berries. Okay, starry clusters. Oh, this one's really cool. So this, again, could be holiday or just for anything. Look at those awesome stars. I love that detail. Okay, festoons. Super fun. Again, holiday or not. Use it year-round. Okay, this one, Merry Christmas. Talk about an easy card, y'all. This creates a whole beautiful focal point. And look at this detail. So you're going to get ink just in these little tiny stars. And this font is really pretty. I like that a lot. And then you could also maybe pair them up, right? You could mix and match. This is Simple Christmas Trees. So these are all 6x6. Now these would be in the Christmas bundle. So obviously you could get both if you wanted and get them both 20% off. Or if you only wanted half, could get either the Christmas or the Grinch bundle. Okay, so I'm going to set those aside now for the bling. She did a lot of Christmas inspired colors here to kind of round up the collection. So I'm just going to go through these a moment. Lots of greens, couple reds. So I'm just going to show you the names of these. Whoa. Something's spilling. Spilling and a spilling and a spilling. Oh, it's this one. Hologram green didn't get closed very well. Oopsies. Just take care of this a second so I don't make a mess. Anyway, so these also are in a bundle for the first week only. So if you want all of these new colors, be sure to jump on it in the first week. So October 1st to October 7th. And then you can get it 20% off. And you can use my coupon AmyFan10 on top of it. So if you want all these gorgeous, yummy colors in time for the holidays, then be sure to take advantage on the first week. So let me just get all of these out actually. And we'll go through all these delicious colors. These little stickers, they just give me every time. Oh, I see some gorgeous ones here. Yummy. Okay. So to start with the greens, we have hologram green. Kind of hard to see the writing, but I promise that's what it is. This one is called Crystal Metallic Dragon. Oh my gosh. My daughter's going to love this one. Anything dragon. Opalescent Sprout. So cute. This is like, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just really pretty. Okay. Crystal Metallic Chameleon. Very cool. Crystal Iris Mystic Meadow. That's a mouthful. And then Crystal Opaque Christmas Green. So I'm just going to hold these up a second so you can see they are all different. They have different finishes, which kind of bounce off different lights. So there's some in the collection that are kind of a straight, true color, no surprises. So if you're into that look for the satin finishes or even the metallic finishes, and then you're going to kind of know what to expect. If you get into the crystal or the opalescent or things in the line like that, then you're going to pick up these different colors as the light hits them. So depending on your preference, hopefully that helps you out in terms of kind of deciphering the finishes. Okay, now we have, oh, this one's so pretty, Crystal Metallic Quicksilver. So it's almost picking up some blue to me. It's got a very light blue, and then when the light hits it, it's picking up some pinks. Very pretty. Winter Wonderland blend. This is gorgeous. Perfect for winter cards. You can see there's whites and blues, different finishes mixed in there. Very pretty blend. This one, this might be my favorite just glancing at it. Crystal Opaque Cream Puff. Hello, Cream Puff. Yum. I love those, but this color is amazing. It's got almost like a creamy, it's not even off-white. It's, well, maybe it is off-white. And then the finish on the top just kind of shoots off all these gorgeous colors. Okay, and then we have hologram gold. Beautiful. So we have hologram green and hologram gold. So again, these are what you would expect hologram. You can see all these colors picking up on that. Okay. Oh, and hologram red. So hologram green, red, and gold. Talk about that for Christmas cards. Super cool. Okay, and then finally, Crystal Iris Cranberry. Now this is really pretty. I would say this is more of a traditional red, whereas this is, again, more cranberry. It's just slightly muted, maybe a little bit more orange in it, undertones. Very pretty. So these are the 12 new colors. Again, if you want them all, be sure to follow my link below and it will bring you to the entire collection at that discounted price. And you can use AmyFan10 at checkout to save an additional discount on top of this already discounted price. So this is the amazing October collection. Be sure to check it out. The design team will have tons of awesome samples to inspire you. These definitely will make some quick and easy holiday cards. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and I will catch you next time. Bye. Oopsie, y'all. Sorry about this, but I realized a couple stencils fell out in the package and I wanted to share them real quick. We have Arctic Snow, gorgeous. Look at this beautiful snowflake design. This is a 6x6. And then also Flake Explosion. So these are 2 more in the collection for October. I apologize about that. Thanks for sticking around if you're still here, and I'll catch you next time.